Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. Today I decided to do a little test with, I wanted to add a little of the Australian Floetrol into the base coat to see if that would do any difference. And also, so I made a split canvas, so half of it is black with the Australian Floetrol mixed into the mix, and the white part I actually used the, I don't know if you guys know it, but there's a Australian Floetrol copy that you can get here in Germany. So it's called Aussie Style. So it's a Floetrol that tries to copy the effects that Australian Floetrol actually give in paintings. I'm not that happy with it. It smells a lot like, I don't know, it's not oil, but almost turpentine or something. Has a very strong smell, and I don't think that it gives really good results. But I decided to try to put it into the white mix here. Um, it is white, but yeah, the Floetrol has also seems to have changed color in the bottle that I had, so it was kind of rusty looking, or like a, I don't know, caramelized cream or something. I don't know, but it's yeah. I tried to put it in just to see if there would be any effect when I did a swipe. So obviously, I also use a cell activator to in a swipe color. So it is there's also there with Australian Floetrol. So there's Australian Floetrol in the cell activator, but I also try to put it in the base coat, like I said. And you'll see the colors come up on the screen here. This was a Maya Gold Cappuccino. It's a delicious metallic cappuccino um, that I have from, I think it's a German company that I got it from. Um, I use some Amsterdam turquoise blue. I couldn't help but put a little blue in. I thought that the other color scheme was a little too muted, so I added a little color, and I love the way that it came out in the end. Amsterdam white pearl, I think I was just put on there, and then I added and the 24 karat gold, of course, and then I add a little more of the cappuccino, and then the cell activator. Um, and then I'll do a swipe just with paper towel, wet paper towel, trying to do it. As you can see, I split the canvas diagonally, but of course that means that you kind of have to swirl a little bit when you swipe, but it came out pretty nice. I think I really love the results. The canvas is a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas. And yeah, I just enjoy what you're seeing here. I really like the way that it came out. Initially, I first thought that those black holes, that maybe I should fix them, but I actually love that I left them there because it gives some depth to the painting. Really love the colors, love the way that it turned out. Can I see a difference in the white half and the black half of how it actually celled up? Not really. I can't say that I know that there's a difference. I'm not sure that it makes any difference that you put if you put the the Australian Floetrol in the base coat. I think probably if you did it in all the colors, then you would have a lot of action. But I didn't do that. I only put it in the base coat and in the cell activator. So, but yeah, this is the result. Of course, there is a difference between when the background is white and the background is black. But again, I love the outcome. Really love it. And that's about it. We're close to the end. I'm just going to swipe the other half. But in the meantime, I just want to thank you again for joining me. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It really would mean a lot to me. Helps me grow, helps me put out more videos, and hopefully instructional to all of you. Also, leave a thumbs up for me. If you have any questions, do ask the questions in the comments. I will respond to your questions as fast as I can. Please bear with me if it doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes, for some reason, I don't get notified when there's a message, and I have to actually go in and see if there are any messages that I didn't respond to. So do bear with me, but I do try to respond as soon as possible. So as you see, I don't really see a difference between the black background and the white background, except of course for the imperfections where those holes are with the black. That of course has the black holes on the black half of the canvas, and on the white I didn't get as many, but there were a few, and they of course are white. And then just zooming out to show you the final result here. This is really fun. I want to do this on a bigger canvas, maybe not diagonally, maybe just horizontally, but yeah, we'll see what ideas I come up with. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'll leave you with a few pictures of the wet results, and then also of the dried results. I have not yet decided whether I'm gonna resin or varnish this, but once again, thank you for joining me. Hope you'll come back soon, and you have a great day. Bye.